Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to capture a pattern in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, open your pattern or image or picture. You can use pattern. Okay, example, I use this picture. Then select marquee tool or rectangular tool. You can select. Example, I select to this area. Then go to edit tab, define pattern. Click here and type your pattern name. Example, my pattern. Click OK and close it. And we apply anything. Example, I apply to this effects pattern drop down menu. See this my pattern. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.